Hey people, this is your girl Bianca J. We are 1 week away for Emily Marie's celebration, her graduation. So please, we sent out invites. Let us know, give us an RSVP, yes or no, whether you will be able to attend this grand celebration. We're doing a garden party for Emily at Impact Church, located at 2323 Sylvan Road. As you see, Dad is really proud, but he's pacing around.
I ain't ready for my baby to leave me yet. I'm not ready. Yeah, what's going on, man? This is Mitchell, Shelby, in beautiful hot Atlanta also. Man, we just look forward to seeing everyone at our party. We were going to do it at the house. That's where I really wanted to do it at. Bianca was like, man, it's so hot in Atlanta, and we didn't want to take any chances in case it was raining. But anyway, man, we look forward to seeing everybody. Yes, I'm pacing. My baby got accepted to some great schools. She chose Tennessee State. You know that.
Big blow in the house.
And also, she may be leaving, going to a summer program. I'm not ready for that. But anyway, let me go on pace. When I see you, Bianca. You go and finish your thing up.
We'll see you on Saturday, May the 21st, between 2 and 6. Impact Church, 2323 Sylvan Road, to celebrate Emily's Garden graduation party.
See you then, man.
Take care.